Is your filaments not sticking to your bed? Well, then just put glue stick on your bed itself, and that will stop the sticking. Is your prints tearing whenever you try to get off your bed? Well, then just put inside of the freezer. That will get off in 40 seconds or so. Or if you're just like me and if you don't want to spend an eternity leveling your bed, then just simply put ice packs on your bed. Or, just wait for the prints to come off themselves, because, yeah, that happened to me in this footage. Is your card in your printer, but is your printer saying that there is no card inserted or in the printer? Well, then just simply order a new SD card off of Amazon. Is your extruder rising but not printing at all? Well, then just replace the nozzle tip on your printer. Either that or just level the bed. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. Have a great day.